Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Out here in the yard today, I'm going to be doing some, I'm going to build some containers out of center blocks for my new blueberry plants. And then I'm going to go to a nursery close to the south side of San Antonio and see if I can't get some soil for the blueberries. And then tomorrow I'm going to be going and getting a truckload of dirt for all purpose around the garden. Alright, so come along. Alright, so like I was saying, I got all these center blocks my dad picked up for pretty cheap. And I got to load them in the back of the truck and then move them all the way over there to the garden. So come along with me. I'm not going to show everything, but let me get some of these loaded up and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, this is what I got. Whew. Got it all leveled up pretty straight. And while we were at it, we went ahead and got all our corners for the big bed. See the corner over there, corner over there. Now we just gotta dig all this out and get everything level with each other, so on and so forth. And then we're gonna get the rest of these from over there over here. I hope I got enough. I don't think I'm going to, so it's gonna take quite a few for these. But anyway, sorry about the shake there. Anyways, over here we got it built, and my plan, I want to put a little bit of gravel in the bottom, and then we're gonna go get some azalea bags of dirt that are good for azaleas and rhododendrons, because it's a high acid and blueberries love acid. A lot of those soils will say blueberries on them. Mix that with some of the other dirt that I'm going to pick up tomorrow and get a good mix in there, and a little bit of coarse sand for good drainage, because they like a good draining soil. So I'm going to get that done. We're getting ready to go to the nursery now and go see if we can get some soil, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm out here at Fanix Nursery on Home Green Road in San Antonio off of W.W. White. And this place is absolutely awesome, guys. I'm back here by the trees, fig trees, banana trees, raspberries, all sorts of stuff, guys. Just check these out. And here they are: raspberry, blackberry, peaches, just so much stuff, guys. Just so much stuff. Anyways, I wanted to show y'all this little hidden gem, because I love this place. They're great. They got all sorts of stuff. Look at that, guys. Figs, already putting on figs. Already putting on figs. But anyways, they were kind enough to let me film out here, so I just thought I'd bring y'all along and show y'all. It might get a little bumpy from time to time, just because I'm pushing a basket around also. But out here, there's Danny over there. Just came out here to get a couple things, some soil, getting some holly tone. Same thing as their berry tone, just marketed to a different person. Anyways, probably gonna pick up some bamboo stakes too at that price. I don't know yet. We'll see. But anyways, also wanted to talk briefly about their tomato contest that they're having. It's June 15th, guys. June 15th. If you show up and put in an entry, you automatically get a bag of some sort of fertilizer. So look forward to that. I'll talk to y'all later.